channel. So it's been a while, sorry about that. I've been crazy busy the past couple months. If you couldn't already tell, I'm living in a new apartment. So yeah, I just recently moved into this place and I am so happy. I love my new place. An apartment tour will be coming soon, but if you couldn't already tell by the empty living room, not all my furniture has come in yet. Yeah, I've been waiting for my couch to come in for almost 2 months. So yeah, I've just had this like open space. But the good thing about having all this space is that I've been able to do more home workouts, which is great because the gyms are still closed and I'm about to go crazy if they don't open soon. And I also wanted to share this flat tummy tea with you guys. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm super excited. If you guys know me, you know that I love tea. I'm not really a coffee drinker at all. Like, I'm all about tea. It's a metabolism support iced tea, so it's supposed to help with digestion and increase your metabolism, and it has a lot of antioxidants in it. So I'm really excited to try this. I'm also going on vacation in a week to the Caribbean. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using this every single day before the trip. And I'm gonna be doing my workouts. And yeah, I'm gonna have a flat tummy for this Caribbean vacation. So yeah, now that I have a big kitchen, let's make this. Okay, so we're in my kitchen now, and let's make this flat tummy tea. Okay, it says it's a 4-week supply. Directions: put 1 teaspoon of metabolism support iced tea into a tea strainer infused in 1 cup of hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Oh, okay, so I have to make it as hot tea first and then put it in the fridge for a few hours and it'll cool down and then you drink it. I feel like I kind of want to make like a giant pitcher of it instead of just 1 cup at a time. But I don't have a giant pitcher. I think we're gonna have to go to Target. All right, I'm back from Target. I got the essentials, a pitcher and a strainer. So now let's make this flat tummy tea. Okay, so it's 1 teaspoon of tea for every 8 ounces of water. And this thing has 2 quarts. So, so bad at math. I'm gonna have to like calculate this. 1 quart is 32 ounces. So if each cup is 8 ounces, then we can make 4 cups per quart. So if this is 2 quarts, then we can make 8 cups of tea in this, I think, right? Okay, so let's start making this. Ooh, she's boiling. Okay, so the water is boiled and now I'm gonna put the tea in the strainer. I'm excited to see what this looks like. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, that is a lot of tea and I need to figure out how to like put it under the water but not, you know, actually get in the water. I'm gonna have to literally hold it like this for like 5 minutes. Okay, we had a little technical error. So I accidentally spilled all of this stuff inside of the tea and then I had to drain it into here, so I think it's good now, but yeah, that was pretty unfortunate. Still learning how to cook, so bear with me guys. Okay, so I have the tea in this big pot, so now I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it cool off for a few hours. So I just got back from vacation and it was amazing. I also vlogged the trip, so look out for an Antigua vlog coming soon. So now that I'm back from my trip, I want to get back into my fitness and healthy eating, so I'm gonna do some more cooking. I'm gonna make another batch of tea. I also have the Flat Tummy app and they have a bunch of recipes on there too, so I'm gonna be making one of the healthy recipes. And I also have brownies that I'm gonna be making, you know, just to balance the healthy, unhealthy diet that I have. I'm not good at cooking, as you can tell, clearly. So I was trying to mix all of the stuff that I put in the bowl, and then I realized that it says you need some type of mixer, but the only thing I really have is the NutriBullet. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, all I have is that NutriBullet. So yeah, I was trying to mix it with just like a spoon, but that really wasn't working. So let's see if this works. Oh my god, I've made such a mess. Okay, I like really need to learn how to cook and like buy all the equipment and stuff and like read the directions. Okay, this honestly doesn't look that bad. I feel like I can just roll it up into little balls, put it in the refrigerator for a few minutes, and then they'll be good to go. The brownies are done. They look so good. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for the brownies to cool and I'm gonna try one of these. Okay, I'm gonna be making these a lot. Like, they're healthy and they're easy to make. It's like a win-win. Hey guys, so I've been back from vacation for a few days and I've been drinking the tea and keeping up with my workouts. Cheers! It actually tastes so good. It's like minty, and I also added honey to it, so it's a little bit sweeter. I drink it every morning with my breakfast, and it also gives me more energy. I am not a morning person, but drinking this with breakfast every morning actually helps me wake up and gives me energy, and I can actually do workouts in the morning. And it also pairs really well with those banana protein balls that I made. So yeah, this has been my go-to breakfast for the week. I eat a few of these protein balls, and then I drink a glass of the tea, and then I start my day. I really like the flat tummy tea, and it's definitely something that I want to incorporate into my everyday diet. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, turn on my notifications, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!